Hi guys, welcome to ApeCrypto. I am Alan Chang. Let's get started. In this episode, we'll cover what is ApeCoin, what are the stablecoins that will be launched by Shiba Inu and Aave, why Celsius got sued by KeyFi, and what's going on with Bitcoin mining company Compass, and how many NFTs got stolen. Also, latest news in the market movement. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. Many thanks to you all. The head developer behind Shiba Inu token, Satoshi Kazuma, announced a plan to launch a stablecoin for the SHIB ecosystem, a reward token and a collectible card game for its metaverse. As a reminder, don't mix the Shiba Inu coin with Dogecoin. He admitted the existing concern after watching other stablecoins collapse and billions in dollars get wiped off the market completely. According to the developer, if everything goes as planned, the SHIB stablecoin will launch already this year. Shiba Inu is also planning to expand its network to a new reward token, Treat. Treat has been quietly in design and will have wide application across the Shiba Inu ecosystem, including the project's Metaverse project and the upcoming Shiba Inu collectible card game, which they describe as the best collectible coin on the planet. The Treat token will also help provide balance to the SHIB stablecoin. Seems like another fearless algorithmic stablecoin is coming out again. As a test, what should we focus on this time? Yes, the answer is the collaterals. Besides Shiba Inu, the giant of the DeFi protocol Aave is planning to launch a stablecoin as well. The founder Stani Kulachov announced they have created an arc for the new decentralized collateral-backed stablecoin native to the Aave ecosystem, as GHO. This means Aave's proposal for a new stablecoin is now in the hand of its DAO. As I mentioned before, DAO is a community for voting on decisions in the future. Lending protocol Aave currently has a total value locked of 6.6 billion. As a review, TVL refers to the amount of crypto currently being used in the protocol. AAVE is also the 47th biggest cryptocurrency with a market cap of nearly 1 billion. People can use Aave to lend and borrow digital assets without going to the centralized intermediary, and Aave runs on the Ethereum network. But you must be wondering, how will Aave's stablecoin be different? The most important is that GHO will not be an algorithmic stablecoin. GHO stablecoins fall into a category of decentralized and collateralized tokens, which puts them in the same class as DAI, MakerDAO's stablecoin. I believe this difference will be a big relief for a lot of people, including myself. Not surprised anymore, Celsius Network is currently facing another trouble. A DeFi entrepreneur, Jason Stone, the CEO of KeyFi, is suing Celsius for allegedly refusing to honor his contract. According to Stone, the amount of damage seeking will be determined at trial. Stone is also behind the yield farming account OXB1, which was managing nearly 2 billion in assets for Celsius at one point, and Celsius assured him that it was taking adequate risk management measures. But Stone discovered Celsius lied about the hedging their activities, and the entire company portfolio had naked exposure to the market. Seems like Celsius is continuously getting hit one way by another. Compass Mining, a Bitcoin mining company, announced they will reduce staff by 15% and reduce compensation for executive by up to 50%. The pair says the change will enable the hardware mining company to stay agile and well positioned in what they call an evolving market. They wrote Compass will provide the financial and non-financial assistance to those affected by the downsizing. In June, Compass also announced the resignation of the CEO and the co-founder Whitney Gibbs and the FCFO Jody Fisher. Other things they wrote are really official based, so let's not waste our time on that. As I mentioned before, high inflation has highly increased the cost of Bitcoin mining companies. With the interest hike, it's even worse, so this result is not surprising. Out of curiosity, have you ever wondered how much NFTs got stolen in total? A Dune Analytics user has tailed the number of NFTs from the top collection that has been marked as stolen or suspicious and thus frozen on OpenSea. According to a new dashboard on crypto data aggregator, 130 Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs and 268 Mutant Ape Yacht Club NFTs have been marked as report for suspicious activity on OpenSea, which means previous owner of those NFTs has connected to the marketplace and identified them as stolen. And the value of those NFT added up for over 18.5 million. That figure doesn't include 153 Azuki NFTs that has been frozen and 202 stolen Clone X or the 70 Moonbirds. If it's sold, it'll be worth around 6.9 million. The number is shocking, huh? But there's a blind side here. How many of these samples are fake report from users? And how many users will actually report? Since ApeCoin has recently captured the public attention, now let's talk about what is ApeCoin. ApeCoin is an Ethereum-based token linked to the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs. And as I mentioned before, Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs are one of the most successful NFT projects to date with incredible selling prices. The Bored Ape Yacht Club affiliate cryptocurrency that promised to be the coin of choice for the new metaverse ecosystem being built out by Yuga Labs. Since ApeCoin DAO came into being around April 2021, the BAYC has been among the top non-fungible token collection with a vibrant community. The BAYC collection showcased apes that seemingly looks bored. You can choose these apes to the tiniest details. Investors across the world have put their money into these artwork, and buyers include the likes of Justin Bieber and Eminem. But how does ApeCoin work? Ape token holders take governance decisions collectively, casting their votes and deciding on issues like other tokens. The ApeCoin Foundation implements a governance decision taken by the community, which facilitates the growth of the ecosystem. The foundation has a body called Board that executes the community's vision. The Ape Board comprises 5 members from the technology and crypto community. ApeCoin holders vote for the new board member annually. ApeCoin is acceptable by most merchants because it's a pervasive ERC20 token. The coin is also already in use as NFT rewards. A holder with the BAYC receive free ape that they can cash immediately. Now, let's take a look at the market movement. This is the hourly candlestick chart of ApeCoin. As we can see, ApeCoin surged more than 17% since the 4th of July. It's currently going through the recovery phase within the wedge. It also met the pressure zone on top like any other altcoins. If it breaks the wedge, a significant drop might happen after this weekend. As a price forecast, ApeCoin might be able to reach close to $7 by the end of this year. On the year 2023, it has a potential of breaking $10. What will the price be if you hold it for 5 years? In 2027, it might be able to break 40. So are you interested? If you are, make sure you're patient enough to hold. This is a weekly candlestick chart for Bitcoin. We can see that because of the 4th of July trend this week, it's currently formed as a solid green candlestick, and it's engulfed the previous red candlestick formed last week, which is a signal for the market starting to go up. But the week is not over yet. If the selling pressure is too high, there will be a potential to close as a gravestone, with a long shadow above, and gravestone is a strong indicator that the market will go bearish. According to the daily candlestick chart of Bitcoin, we can see the W bottom has created, which is a bullish signal. But the candlestick today has a really long shadow above, which makes it hard to break through. So there's a high probability that it won't go with the pattern this time. Overall, there are a lot of new things coming out during this downturn. And of course, there are also a lot of companies cleaning up their mess. Just now it's too soon to determine if the bear market is over, but based on the macroeconomic, I don't think it'll be over that soon, since there will be a potential interest hike on the next FOMC meeting, so don't get fooled by the short-term recovery. Thank you for watching Watch Out Crypto. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. I am Alan Chang. I'll see you next time.